Swadika! Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
I am DJ कौन बोलेगा?
मैं भूल जाता Swadika! Hey folks, welcome to our channel. I'm DJ.
And I'm Sakshi. And in this video, we are going to talk about some Thai options which have good vegetarian menus. So we were missing Thai food and we thought why not create a series. However, do note that we weren't able to try all the options that we shortlisted. So we'll give you a glimpse of the ones that we tried, and then the rest that we had shortlisted we'll leave in the description below. So on that note, let's
go! Hey folks, today we are at a Thai Walk restaurant at Cuppage Road at Orchard. So this is the first time we are coming to this place. We did some research and they have a quite extensive vegetarian menu. As you can see, usually you find only like rice or noodles or curry. So they have an extensive menu of starters. They have tom yum noodle soup and they have yellow curry, which you don't find at a lot of places in vegetarian. And then they have a lot of rice options. So to start off the meal, we have ordered a lemongrass iced tea. It's quite good and it's quite flavorful. You can taste the lemongrass really well, and it's chill, so it's really nice for a hot summer weather in Singapore. So our food is here. We have ordered a raw mango salad to start with. So now let me give it a try. So the raw mango salad has a lot of chilies and tomato and some green vegetables, and it has peanuts and cashew nuts, which I love it. So let me give it a go. The raw mango salad is quite tangy, and those red chilies gives you that little bit of kick, and the peanuts and the cashew nuts give you that crunch. So overall, it's a good salad to order. So this is the tom yum glass noodle soup. So this has a lot of vegetables like mushroom, beans, then you have tomatoes, carrots, and then it also comes with the glass noodles. So usually this is quite spicy as a soup, but I have ordered with the noodles as well. So let's see how's the taste. Let me give first taste to the broth. It's super good. But it's quite spicy. Let me try with the noodles. It's one of the beautiful dish to order here. So it's quite nice. I really love it because especially I like the mushrooms in this.
So what I went for is the Thai yellow curry, which has like lots of vegetables, tofu, carrots, beans and coriander. Looks super good, and it's paired with jasmine rice. So I'm just going to taste the curry first. Really good. It's very flavorful, but it's spicy. So I think the guy asked us if you are okay with spicy, but if you want a little less intensity, then I think you can tell the guy. So I think pairing it with the rice will make it a little bit milder. But in terms of flavors, A+. So even though the food is super spicy, but you can always pair it with this super sweet Thai iced milk tea. So I'm glad I ordered this because it goes so well with the spicy food. Hi, we are at Thai Express. And actually, if you look at the menu, there are only two vegetarian options, a mango salad and a mushroom vegetable dish. However, you can request a few more items on request as vegetarian. In the past, they used to have a slightly bigger vegetarian menu, but for whatever reason, they don't show it on the menu anymore. But you can always request, and I checked that they make it without fish sauce. So that's what we have done. We've ordered the vegetarian versions of some of our favorite dishes here. My favorite here is the vegetarian pad thai. So I'm really looking forward to digging in.
So our food is here. So this is deep fried tofu with raw mango and some chilies and sweet plum sauce. Usually they serve in dark soy sauce, but if you request for a vegetarian, I think it's a plum sauce. Haven't tried it, but I'll try and let you know if it's a plum sauce. So let me try it now. Let me take some nice raw mangoes with this. It's so good and so flavorful. The plum sauce gives you so much of tangy flavor, and the chili flakes give you that kick. So this is one of the good vegetarian menu options you can order from here. Now it's time to try olive fried rice. So this is a vegetarian version, as Sheena was explaining. So you can request for a vegetarian version. This looks really good. So let's give it a try now. Ow. This is really good. It has a lot of vegetables. So it has carrot, beans, cherry tomatoes, and bok choy. So overall, it's a very good in taste.
Okay. Like I said, my favorite pad thai noodles at Thai Express has a good amount of vegetables in it. It has green beans, carrots, and tofu, baby corn, and more greens. Nothing new that I haven't tried before, but we've come here after a good number of months. So yeah, really looking forward to digging back in. Wow, the same taste that I love. I don't know how they do it, but the unique flavor of that pad thai noodle, the pad thai sauce, that is so awesome here. That is the thing that I love the most.
Hey guys, we are back to another new Thai restaurant. So today we are at Bali Thai. This is an Indonesian and a Thai cuisine fusion restaurant. The good thing really about here is they have a good vegetarian menu which is separate from the main menu. So you just have to request them to give you the vegetarian menu. And the vegetarian menu has a lot of Thai options in that. So we have ordered our food and we are waiting for it. But meanwhile, my drink is here. It's my favorite drink here, Young Thai coconut water. It's so sweet and so refreshing. So I can always have like 2 or 3 in one sitting. So our first dish is here. It looks so good. It's tofu, mushroom, and basil in soya sauce. So I have never tried this, so I'm trying it for the first time. It has a bit of sauce as well. So you can have it with rice or as it is as well. Let me give it a try now. It looks spicy because there are a lot of red chilies. Very interesting flavor. It got a bit of kick because of the red chilies, but overall it's nice dish to order. So with our tofu dish, which is with tofu, mushroom, and basil, we ordered a Bangkok fried rice. So this usually comes with the egg, but we asked them not to put the egg, and it looks really good. There are a lot of vegetables, as you can see. There are carrots, beans, and broccoli, and bok choy, with a lot of vegetables. So I'm gonna give it a try now with the tofu curry. This is so good. Fried rice is so good. Small bits of chilies that gives you like a punch, like the chili punch. The taste is really good, and it's so good when you have it hot. It's mind blowing.
Okay, so what I'm going to try is the Thai red curry, and actually the portion sizes here are so big, so just keep that in mind. Especially the curry, I wasn't expecting that much. It's enough for 3 people, I feel, but it looks good. It smells good. It has lots of vegetables. So let me just give the curry a try first. Really good curry, really flavorful, but also very spicy. Actually, everything that we've ordered here, the tofu, the Bangkok fried rice, and the curry have been super spicy. So if you can't take that much spice, then just make sure you let them know, and then of course pair it with some sweet drink to ease off your palate.
For a special occasion or a dinner date, Jim Thompson is a great option.
Nestled among lush greenery at Dempsey Hill, the restaurant is in a beautiful restored colonial building and offers 3 seating areas: the main dining hall, the wine bar, and the outdoor garden setting. Our favorite for sure was the outdoor garden seating for a long dinner over great food. You will be happy to know they have a separate vegetarian menu complete with veggie appetizers, mains, sides, and desserts, and we took full advantage of the same. So we started with the starters platter. There are actually 3 sets to choose from. So we ordered one of those. That's good but not great. However, in the mains we ordered the vegetarian red curry and the vegetarian pad thai noodles, and these are pretty good. Like the curry is nice and rich and creamy and flavorful, and the pad thai are brilliant. So pretty much enjoying the mains, I would say.
Thanks for hanging out with us, guys.
And if you have more questions for us, leave them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Take care.